Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from July's Ipsy Extra. This month's theme is Passport to Play, and the bag design features a bold cabana inspired print. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Purlisse Flash Facial Exfoliating Mask, Earth Harbor Siren Silk Bio-Retinol Hydration Cream, Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi Sunshine Drops, Alamar Cosmetics Princesa del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette, and the Lovecraft Beauty Tubular Lip Tint. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, we have the Purlisse Flash Facial Exfoliating Mask. This is powered by AHA, PHA, and kiwi enzymes to gently resurface and refine your complexion. It says to leave it on for 10 minutes to reveal smoother, brighter, more radiant skin. And it must have some kind of glowy pearl factor because the mask itself is quite radiant. I just removed it. My skin feels very smooth and there's not any redness, so I call that a win. Next, I'm using the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi Sunshine Drops. This is the most expensive product in the box at $39, and I've tried these before. They're just a bit too dark and bronzy for me, as you can see here. They're just better suited for someone with a darker skin tone. Now let's take a look at the Alamar Cosmetics Princesa del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette. This 8-pan palette retails for $28. Let's swatch it. It features 4 intense glitter metallics and 4 creamy velvet mattes. First, I'm dipping into this matte warm brown shade called Colorcito. I'm sweeping this into the crease. I really like the formula of Alamar's eyeshadows. There is some kickback in the pan, but otherwise the shadows are all really pigmented and smooth. Next, I'm picking up this shimmery olive shade called Mojito Mommy. I'm swiping this onto my lid using my finger, and the shimmer effect is insane. I'm just going to add this to the bottom lash line as well. Finally, I'm applying the Lovecraft Beauty Tubular Lip Tint. This is in the shade Cassette Crush. It's a rosy pink color. It actually looks really good and smooth. It's not settling into any of my wrinkles or giving me any of those weird dark lines like some stains do. Here's the finished look using products from July's Ipsy Extra. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.